The United States just indirectly attacked India, and India is acting like nothing happened. Recently, an Iranian warship called Iris Dena came to Visakhapatnam to participate in a joint naval exercise with the Indian Navy. They were literally our guests. The exercise ended, the ship left Indian waters and was returning back home. But just 115 kilometers off the coast of Sri Lanka in the Indian Ocean, US Navy submarine attacked it where 87 sailors lost their lives. But hours later, India still hasn't condemned this attack. People are defending this by saying, relax, it's just on international waters. India's territory is only 12 nautical miles. Fine, but then explain this. In 2014, when Chinese submarine was docked in Colombo Port, or in 2022, when China sent its spy ship to Hambantota Port, India protested immediately in both the cases. Even in 1971, when the US entered the Bay of Bengal, India treated it as a serious strategic threat. Okay, leave that for a second. Now tell me this. If a ship was attacked 115 kilometers off the coast of US, China or Russia, would these countries just have stayed silent? Of course not, because countries defend their zone of influence and not just their legal borders. That's the real question. Why is Modi and his government completely silent when a foreign power conducts a deadly attack right in its backyard? And don't forget the fact that India itself says that it wants to be the net security provider in the Indian Ocean region. So when a foreign navy ship sinks itself in this exact region, one that had just been India's guest, and India says nothing, what message does that send to the world exactly?